Hello everyone, let's jump to our first scenario. When user open the OmniScript, the account name field should be automatically pre-populated with the existing account name, and the user have an ability to modify that the UI. So for the scenario, let's jump to the OmniScript. Here I already open it, but if you want to open, just click on the 9 dots and search for OmniScript. Yeah, you have an option OmniScript. Here, click on all OmniScript. You will see all OmniScript, whatever we have in the system. So let's click on new button, give the name. I have given data pre-population, right? The type, demo, and subtype, anything for which you can recognize easily. So you can see I have given a subtype as pre-population, name and both. So once every detail is done, just click on save button. And yeah, OmniScript created. You will see we have a step. So here what we needed is text field. So we'll search with the text. Here we go, drag the text in our UI, change the name. We'll give name as account name and label as well account name with space. Name shouldn't be give with space, okay? And according to whatever the requirement, we will just check this check was required or read only, and we don't need it read only, so that's why we didn't check it. And here in account now, what we needed is that name should be pre-populated. For that we needed data mappers. We select search with data mapper. We have 4 type of data mappers. So for extraction, I dragged data mapper extract, and I already created a data mapper fetch account detail. So I selected that. Otherwise, if you want to create it new, there is an option new data mapper, give the name and click on save button. Yeah, fetch account and save button, you will redirect it to data mapper. In this data mapper, we have this extract formula mappings. So just go on extract. We want account name. So we will extract object as account. Extract object path, whatever you can take it for easier. I have taken account. Field is ID. On the basis of ID, we will extract. And value, I am dynamically not passing. I want to pass it dynamically, sorry. Yeah. So going directly on mapping. In mapping, now I will create mapping. What I needed is account name. So I will take the account name and JSON output path. What will the JSON output path? Let's go to our org. You will see we have step, whatever the step name we have it, that will come. So copy the step name and paste it in JSON output path with semicolon with colon. And now at what field we need it, in this field same, we just copy the API name. And if you want to find the exact JSON, just click on the preview, and in data JSON you will see the exact path JSON. So here you will see there's a step account info and account JSON is correct. So we will click on save and preview. You will see I already given the account ID as value over here. Execute. So you will see our output will come. Account name is Global Media. So now I have given the dynamic. You will see JSON path is same. We'll go back to the design. You'll see I have given a dynamic name to the data extract. So we will pass the data source from here as an account ID, and filter value as also I'm given account ID, and one element I will add it set values from here. And in that set values, I will just add the element as account ID, and whatever the account ID for particular account, I will give that ID. So in that org, for example, is global media, I will just copy the ID from the above and pass it in value here, and click on save button. That account ID I'm passing in data source and filter value. Yeah, and data mapper, everything is good. Mapping also done. Just rechecking. Yeah. Now click on preview button. So once preview in the right hand side, initially it is null, but once your data mapper extract run, you will see we have a value as a global media, and according to our scenario, we required a global media like account name, and you will see in action debugger we have a request and response of particular DR, and we can add it as well.